Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So let's hop right in. This is a Shein nail haul unboxing. We're just getting right to it. So these are like glass paper like nail decals, super cute. Haven't used them yet, but I've seen a lot of videos. They will be in an upcoming video. Then I purchased two of these. These are false toe nail tips, and if you want to see a video on how to apply these, like this video and let me know down in the comments. I'm super excited to try. They look like super high quality, and I love how they're transparent, and you'll see probably that in a later video. I also picked up these nail gems. They're super adorable. They kind of have like gold flakes in them. I just love nail art charms. These were super cute to me, and everything here is super inexpensive. I'm gonna try and put prices or product pictures on the screen when I can. But yeah, these were a 10 out of 10. Absolutely love those. These nail art stickers, I've already used these in a previous video, and I'll try and link it above here. The video I used them in, you need them, obsessed. I literally ordered so many more of them. I think I have like 6 of them. They're like under $1 and I love them. Now we have some, these are called Baroque style charms, and I love this like old money like kind of aesthetic, so I've been really into it. These just gave me that vibe, so I purchased these in both silver and gold. Super inexpensive. Love this, and I have used these in a prior video. I ordered a whole bunch of nail stickers, and I have not used these yet, so I can't let you know how they work, but I did go ahead and pick up I think 2 packs of those. And as you guys can see, here goes another one. You'll see plenty more in the video because I went crazy. But then I went ahead and ordered these 5D white lacy vibe nail art stickers, and as you can see, they are 5D. I have used these before, and I do recommend them because they actually do a good job of sticking to your nails, and it's hard to find really good high quality nail art stickers, so these are amazing. I ordered them in a whole bunch of different styles. Here are some more stickers. This is kind of like a rosy red pink vibe. I haven't used these yet, but they're super cute, and I can't wait to try them out. More stickers. Love this like checkered chevron print, super cute. And as I said, I ordered 2 of those tweed style stickers. All right, so here we have some nail gems. So these were super interesting because it kind of gives you a layout of how you can style each nail. So I really like these, and again, everything on Shein is super inexpensive. I only picked up 1 pair of false nails for this haul, but these nails specifically are super high quality. They are very thick, and these are very good high quality false nails for the price point. All right, so next we have some nail art brushes, and these nail art brushes, I tried to show you guys, but they come in a whole bunch of different sizes. I haven't used them yet, so I'm not sure how they work, but so far they look pretty good. So here are some more stickers. These are sticker nail gems. Haven't used them yet, but picked up a few of those. And some more stickers. I guess this is like a sticker haul. I'm just joking. I have different products. But I have used these, and they do an amazing job of sticking, as well as these flowers too. They're like a watercolor flower theme, and they come in a whole bunch of different colors and styles. So here are some 3D nail charms. These are rose 3D nail charms. I ordered them in 2 different styles, but these, I have used these. They're perfect. They're amazing. I love them. Definitely recommend them. These are kind of like a French tip curved nail art style. I'll show you how I style them later in the video because I also ordered them in silver, but I do recommend picking those up. And then just to go with that old money Baroque theme, I went in and I ordered these nail art decals. Now these charms are good. They're a really good size. They're not too big, but they're also not small, so look out for that. So this here is a brush stand. So as you can see here, it's super cute. You can put your brushes on it when you're doing nail art, And then I also ordered this from Shein as well. It's a stirrer, and if you use like metallic paint pots or anything like that that you have to stir up, this is perfect for that. Here are some more stickers. These are some lace style stickers. It's really hard to find good high quality stickers like this. I haven't used them, so I can't let you know how they are. These checkered stickers, it comes in blue, pink, green, black, and white. Love these stickers. I haven't used them yet, but they give me that perfect, like thin enough quality that they'll stick really well. So here are some more of the roses that I mentioned earlier. This is just in a different style, and these are a little bit longer than the other ones, but they are the same quality. So I call these like aura cracked seashell vibe. I ordered these in a whole bunch of different colors, and I haven't had the chance to use them yet. I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna use them, but these are super cute. I don't really care for the packaging, so just watch out for that. But I ordered these in a whole bunch of different colors, so you'll see them more in the video. Here are some more 3D nail art charms. This is perfect for like a Halloween set, and I'll probably use this around that time. So stay tuned for my Halloween videos. I'm super excited for the holidays, y'all. Can you believe like how close it's coming? It's crazy. And this is just a heart. You can use this as a nail art palette. You can use this as a catch-all. It's just very versatile. Here are the silver French tip designs that I was mentioning earlier. So as you can see, I kind of tried to display how you could use this or how I plan on using it. But you can see here, you can use it as like kind of like a 3D French tip charm. So super cute. I'm really excited to use those. Here are some more charms. Love these because they come pre-curved for you. Some nail charms you do have to curve so it fits to your nail, but those ones were pre-curved. Another nail art palette, I use this for when I'm doing nail designs and I need, you know, a dapple of color. More nail art stickers. I ordered so many stickers in this haul. It's insanity, but I really have to use them. Okay, so this is probably one of my favorite products I ordered, if not my favorite. You need this, essential. Definitely pick it up. It's a rubber stamper and it helps you do the perfect French tip. I've used this in so many of my recent videos. You guys have probably seen this. Definitely recommend picking it up. It's worth every penny. So here are some more of those like cracked, like, I don't know, I call them my cracked seashell vibes. It comes in a whole bunch of different colors. And as I said, I ordered these in every color you can imagine. This is like a pack of browns, oranges. Here are some drill bits. I haven't used them yet, but they look super high quality to me and they're perfect for cuticle work. More stickers. Here are some, these are bigger 3D nail charms. These are also pre-curved, so I do recommend these because if nail charms aren't really pre-curved, they can catch in your hair, and that's the most annoying thing ever. So I try and find some that are already pre-curved for you because some of them can be harder to curve. More pre-curved charms. I love these. These give me that Baroque vibe. Here's another nail art palette. So you can, this is like a clear acrylic. You can put your nail art brushes in there to rest, and then you also have those two little divots on the side where you can apply some gel polish for whatever design you're doing. All right, so now we have some crystals. These aren't glitter, they're like a thicker, like little gems, small little crystals, and you can use these so many different ways. You can apply these in polygel, and you can kind of use them for encapsulation. These charms, don't recommend them. They're way too big, like for a nail. I mean, unless you do big long nails, they're just way too big. Don't get them. Here are some more charms. I don't know what I was thinking with these. They're super small, so that's a plus for me because I don't like charms that are too big, but I'm not really too crazy about the color. Another nail art palette. You guys have seen me use this in almost all of my videos. Essential. Pick up a few of those if you don't have any. Here's another nail art palette they have, but they come in handy. I almost always use them in every video, so I definitely recommend getting your hands on those. So here are some more of those cracked seashell vibes that I was saying earlier. I don't know if that's what they're called. They're probably called something and you're like, what is she saying with this whole cracked seashell? But this comes in a whole bunch of different colors. It ranges from black, white, and then it has your nudes in between it. I went crazy. I just ordered all the colors I can because I planned on using them so much and I haven't used them yet. Here are some more charms. They were just super cute to me and I just threw them in the cart, to be honest. More of those cracked seashells, guys. I'm going to be doing a video with them soon because I'm realizing I have so many of them and I need to use them. So be on the lookout for that. Oops, one didn't make it. They're super cute and they're malleable, so you can make them smaller or whatever the case. Here are some more of those lace design stickers that I mentioned earlier. They're way cheaper to buy on Shein than Amazon. Some more nail decals. These are a pretty good size. They're not too small, but they're also not too big. And lastly, I purchased this nail glitter palette. Don't recommend getting it. As you can see, it got everywhere. I didn't even open it yet and it was all over my hands. So I don't recommend it. It was just too messy for me, and I hate when glitter gets everywhere. Like, it was all over me. The colors are gorgeous, but it was all over. So here are my top 5 products that I definitely recommend getting your hands on. The rubber stamper, the drill bit, the Baroque charms, that nail stirrer, and that Aurora glass paper. Those are my top 5 favorite products, and here is an overview of everything that I purchased in this haul. I'll try and leave a link to some products. It's just hard, y'all, because some of it might not be in stock anymore. But I love you guys so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. Archie wanted to say bye as well, and we will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!